Okay, on our walk home, we have to cross these train tracks. So if you look, the train is coming. So the bell is tinging away. There go the tracks to the left. The tracks to the right. Now where is the train? Okay, while we're waiting for the train, I'm going to turn around and film the guys walking. Grant, Alistair, say hello. Eric. Okay, I'm going to keep turning. Okay, stop. You can watch the train come by. As you see, they give you ample time to get out of the way. The Germans are super organized, something that they're very proud of. They're very efficient. If you listen in the distance, you can hear the train. This train is probably at least one stop away. Oh no, here it comes. It's coming from that way. Go ahead and zoom in. See it? The end. Welcome, willkommen.